All right, today we are taking the whole family to Big Sur, the Big Sur River Inn. Girl, get in here. And right now we're stuck in this Starbucks line because the person in front of us, I guess, just did like a gigantic order. I don't know. So we've been in the Starbucks drive-thru line for like, I don't know, what, like 15 minutes? This is crazy. But anyway, so we're going to the Big Sur River Inn. Chloe's in the back. Say hey, Chloe. Say hey. Oh, no, she did. I just heard. And it's this really cool spot. Well, actually, I've never been, but I've heard a lot about it. None of us have ever been. You like go to this place. Oh, now you want to say hey, Chloe? It's like a store, hey, restaurant, kind of store, restaurant, hotel, motel. Hey, boo boo. And today is Sunday, so they have live music, but the really cool thing about this place is they have amazing food. They have these crazy awesome burritos, and the best part about it is you get to sit in the river on these really big, heavy wooden, like patio furniture and lounge chairs, sit in the river and eat your food, which I think that is going to be like such a cool experience. I'm excited to do it. I hope the kids like it. And then the live music, that's always cool because, you know, when you have little kids, you want to go to places that are really loud. So
you fit into the crowd.
Yeah, it kind of drowns them out. So I'm excited. Are you excited about it?
I am.
You are? Okay. Oh, I think we're next. Gosh, they finally got the food. Okay, and then we're going to show you guys what Big Sur looks like too, because it's gorgeous.
That's what we were going to do.
I know, we were gonna go there and do the haunted ghost tour, but it's 3 hours long.
I still want to do it.
And they only do it like 2 days out of the week. So how does it feel?
Oh my goodness, it hurts.
Really?
It
like after a
burns.
game, if you're injured and you have to get in the slushy bath with the trainer.
It's like ice water? Okay.
Yeah, it burns.
You know, I am like, I hate cold stuff, so I'll let you know.
You take your shoes off because you don't like that.
Oh!
You think?
Oh!
You don't have clothes with her? It'll be bad.
I got her.
It's ice.
It's not that bad, guys.
It's not that bad. It's crazy.
It's cold, but yeah, it's cold. Chloe, you like it? Don't fall in the water. It's cold, but once you get out, it's not so bad.
Yeah. Like you have to stand in it for like 30 seconds or a minute, and when you keep going in it, it's not cool.
Marky, you okay over there?
Yeah, there's water. Look how red my feet are. Mommy. Oh my gosh, I have a fly.
Water spiders?
Look how red my feet are.
Because you're really cold. Chloe, is it cold? Oh, see your feet? Cold. Are you having fun?
Yep.
Marky, I think you're in the best spot.
Yeah, that big like that black one.
Yeah.
I want one of those.
Bloody Mary?
Those were good.
Yeah, it's really good.
That was spicy. They come out spicy and they look good. And it was a good burn. It wasn't like a burn where you're like, oh my gosh, I can't handle this.
This is so pretty.
I didn't even drink any yet.
You don't taste it.
Is it good, Chloe?
Did you want one more, Kiki?
One more what? One more what?
Of all of this?
Is that good, King? Are you
Throw
talking
marks
about?
in the river.
Are you talking about another drink? No, I don't want another one.
No,
That was
my
like
turn.
super
I'm
spicy.
done.
You're done? You're not gonna eat it all?
I'm full.
Are you? Or are you just avoiding the vegetables?
No, because I ate a big breakfast.
Yeah.
I usually don't even eat breakfast.
Look at these people in the freezing cold water.
It's like at least below something.
These are the fire helicopters because of the
Oh, there's one
wildfires that are going on in California. You see that one right there?
Yeah.
That one too? That's crazy. I've never seen that.
That's so cool.
Look, they're lowering that pouch
Oh my
to
god.
put stuff in it. Got it?
See, I'm not zooming in at all. That's how close it is. Oh, they're dipping it in that little bucket. Yeah, they're dipping it in the bucket. Oh, yep, it's in the bucket.
Wow,
That's so
really
cool.
crazy.
We're heading to the movies to see Lights Out.
Yeah.
Woo! Are you excited, Chloe? Chloe's already at the movies eating her popcorn.
She's got popcorn?
Remember?
Oh, you eat her popcorn?
Huh?
Chloe, how much food are you gonna eat today?